Good evening. Good evening. You're welcome to the tutorial suite from a talented schoolboy. Today we'll take a look at English language. English language review assignment. Review assignment 5. So review the assignments given yesterday. So let's look at what we have here. Number 1 says, Baba and Dash participated in the tournament. Baba and Dash participated in the tournament. A, him. B, his. C, he. D, he is. What's the answer? Favor, what's the answer? Must I call them? Oh yeah. What's the answer? Baba and him participated in the tournament. Success, what do you think? Him. Michael. C is what? He. Him doesn't agree. Him doesn't what? Agree. Whatever that should be there should be subjective case. If you want to replace the two of them now with a pronoun, you say they. True of us, they participated in the what? Tournament. You cannot say them participated in the what? Tournament. Okay? So it's they. So what should be there is what? He. Alright, so the answer is C, he. Number 2 says the teacher invited Akpan and Dash to his office. A, myself. B, me. C, I. D, himself. Me. So, is that what you wrote? Good. The teacher invited Akpan and me. You can as well say the teacher invited us to his what? Office. So us, objective case. Invited us to his office. Okay. Number 3 says, Dash are good friends. Dash are good friends. A, he and I are good friends. B, I and him are good friends. C, I and he are good friends. D, he and me are good friends. I and he and I.
Option C is not.
I and he. You start from the not you don't start from yourself, okay? You start from.
I just want to know the difference. I wrote I, he, and I.
That's what I'm explaining now.
Okay, don't start from
You know. You and I, it's not I and you. We leave as one. You and I. Are we there?
Yes.
You don't say I and you. You and what? I. Okay? So, and it's subjective case. He and what? I. Okay, number 4. My wife and I met Dash on a ship going to Liberia. Met ourselves. B, one another. C, each other. D, ourselves. Sussex. Each other. What type of pronoun is that? What type of pronoun is that? Reciprocal pronoun. Good. Number 5 says, those are very beautiful. Those are very beautiful. A, flowers of her. B. Flowers of hers. As an apostle, hers, as the her, then apostrophe S. C. Our flowers. D. Flowers of ours. Huh? D. Do you all agree? Huh?
Yes.
Good. Flowers of ours. Remember the possessive case, right? Possessive case, right? Good. Ours. This is our car. The car is ours, okay? Number 6. We haven't confirmed dash signature. This is. We haven't confirmed dash signature. This is. A. What? B. Whose? C. Who is? As a who, apostrophe S. D. Which? Whose? Do you all agree?
Yes.
Whose? B. Whose? Number 7. Number 7. He said he forgot dash. He said he forgot dash. A. What you said. B. That you said. C. Why you said. D. What you said. When you said. What's the answer? What you said. Thank you. All right, let's continue. Number 8 says, the issue on dash, I disagreed with him, is very simple. The issue on dash, I disagreed with him, is very simple. A. What? B. Whom? C. Which? D. Whose? Huh? Which? Good. The issue on which I disagreed with him is very simple. Number 9. Don't believe all dash he had told you. Don't believe all dash he had told you. A. What? B. Which? C. That. D. There. C is what? That. Don't believe all that he had told you. Don't believe all that he had told you. Number 10. Dash is the owner of this pair of scissors. Dash is the owner of this pair of scissors. A. Who? B. Whom? C. Which? D. Whose? There's a question mark at the end, sorry. Who is the what? What type of pronoun is that? Good, interrogative. Thank you. All right. Any question? Ask. Okay.
Yes, the answer is that. I've heard some people don't believe or wish he had told you. Why is it that wish do not agree with the statement?
Don't believe all which he had told you. Yeah, good evening. How are you? Huh? Okay. Welcome. Any idea? It's a review, so anybody can talk. If you know it, answer. Yeah?
I said that none of the nine. Don't believe or yes, that's the answer. But why is it that wish do not agree with the statement.
Oh, which is specific now.
Which is what?
Specific. When you use that, I mean like don't use all that here. We're talking about like everything that he said. That we should believe everything out of it. And if you're saying which, you're talking about a particular information, a particular
Okay, which is maybe is being specified on a particular statement, then that means
not everything from all that.
okay. Yeah.
Now, have you heard of this statement or sentence that says, which of the following is this or that? You are being what?
Specific.
Point out. Okay, now, which of the things he told you? Which of the things he told you did you not understand? Does it make sense now? And I'm asking a question. Which of the things he told you, or I told you, did you not what?
Yes.
Understand? So you need to be what? Go down what? Specifically to point out which of them. So you don't say, don't believe all, which all. The person must have said a lot of things. So the person, they say that not even believe any of them at all. Any other question? Any other question?
No.
All right. I think you will stop it at. We stopped at this juncture. So we've come to the end of our English review. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you.